Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We all know that second wave of novel coronavirus COVID-19 has started in India, and the situation is really difficult. People are not getting beds in hospital, they are not getting oxygen, they are not getting the required medicines, and it's really a terrible situation. Lots The death rate has increased. So, and daily basis, the positive cases are increasing. So that's why I decided to check with pendulum dowsing whether this will end or not. If yes, then when? How? So for that, today I'll be doing pendulum dowsing. I'll be using pendulum dowsing to check about end of coronavirus and related questions. Now this is my chart for yes or no. This is no, this is yes. It is written in Marathi. And Om, this is neutral. Then this is another chart. How many years it will take for this planet Earth to get rid of novel coronavirus? How many years more? Then here it is written Upchar Chikitsa Paddhati. Upchar means medical. Which kind of medication will help will be more effective against this novel coronavirus COVID-19. So here there are different medications are given, like magnet therapy, color therapy, homeopathy, Barakshar, Unani, naturopathy, etc. So to check that, we will use this chart. Then there are 12 zodiac signs. So this chart is to check which is the zodiac sign, uh, the people of which zodiac sign will get affected more or impacted more from this COVID-19 in coming years. For that this chart. So let's start. Before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions, please mention in comments line, and I'll be happy to give you answers. Now, first of all, do I have the permission to douse? So it's moving clockwise. So answer is yes. Okay. Now here this is no and this is yes. So please indicate on chart. Are we going to get rid of novel coronavirus COVID-19? We means we all, this Earth planet. So it's showing yes. So one thing is sure that we will get rid of novel coronavirus. Now let's check when. Now please indicate on chart the number of years. How many more number of years we will have to live with novel coronavirus COVID-19? For how many more years we will have to live with novel coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic? It's showing 2, it's indicating 2 in between 2 and 3, but more 2. So looks like we will have to wait for 2 more years. uh, that means it's not going easily. That means more lockdowns to come, and so on. So now, here I would also like to check how it will end. So I'll use this chart again. So novel coronavirus COVID-19 infection virus, COVID-19, which is known as COVID-19. Uh, this virus, uh, will it end automatically? No. Okay. Will it end by taking any vaccine? It's showing yes. Okay. So at present there are many vaccines available throughout the world to deal with novel coronavirus COVID-19. So out of those vaccines, uh, is is there any vaccine which will help this world to end coronavirus pandemic? No. Okay, so is there any other vaccine which is going to be invented in coming years? Yes. Okay, where it will get invented? The new vaccine, where it will get invented? In India? No. In China? Oh, ho, ho. Yes, it's showing yes. And why not? Because this is a Chinese virus and it is also known as Wuhan virus. So, no surprise to me that China will be making a inventing a vaccine which will end this pandemic totally. So that's good indication, but still more time to come. Now here, medication. What kind of medication will prove effective against this novel coronavirus COVID-19? Let's check on this chart. So straightway it is indicating Barakshar. Barakshar means there are 12 kind of salts, phosphorus, moors. So like you must have heard in biochemics there are different medicines like magnesia phos, ferrum phos, kali moor, and natrum sulf, etc. So those are biochemics made of these barakshars. So 12 salts. So barakshar will be more effective against this novel coronavirus COVID-19. Now, people from which zodiac sign? Please indicate on this chart. People from which zodiac sign will get affected the most by this novel coronavirus COVID-19. Kirk. So Kirk means cancer. Here first is Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. It's showing Kirk, Cancer. Now, the second most affected zodiac sign, which are the people from which second most zodiac sign? People from which zodiac sign will get affected most after Kirk? It's showing mean Pisces. So looks like Cancer and Pisces. These are the two zodiac sign. People from these two zodiac signs need to be careful more than other. As such, it's not that others do not need to be careful, but people from these two zodiac signs need to be extra careful. That's what I am saying. Then, now, earlier it said that it will end after 2 years, 2 more years. So this is April 2021. So by 2022 April and 2023 April. So in the year 2024 by April it will end. That's what it indicated. So in India, will this virus infection COVID-19 end before 31st December 2024? Yes. So that's it. And yes, one more thing, I checked about China, but I had not yet checked about other countries. So it's not that other countries will not make any medicine which will be which will prove to be perfect against this COVID-19. But the first name which came to my mind was China other than India, and so that's why I checked and it proved to be, it came out to be yes. Answer is yes. So, and logically also, if we can see, then it started from there. They started it, China. So they must be having some kind of some idea as to how and why this virus is causing so much damage and how to control it. So that's it. Thank you very much.